Let us discuss about coast outline, how the coasts are formed. This is segment number 30 on the series of talks on planet Earth. Waves erode coastline as they break on shore, releasing their energy. The larger the wave, the more energy it releases and the more sediment it moves. Coastlines with no longer shores have more room for the waves to disperse their energy, while coast with cliffs and short shore faces give little room for the wave energy to be dispersed. In these areas, the wave energy breaking against the cliffs is higher, and air and water are compressed into cracks in the rock, forcing the rock apart, breaking it down. Sediment deposited by waves comes from eroded cliff faces and is moved along the coastline by the waves. This forms an abrasion or cliffed coast. Sediment deposited by rivers is the dominant influence on the amount of sediment located on a coastline. Today, riverine deposition at the coast is often blocked by dams and other human regulatory devices which remove the sediment from the stream by causing it to be deposited inland. Like the ocean which shapes them, coasts are a dynamic environment with constant change. The Earth's natural processes, particularly sea level rises, waves, and various weather phenomena, have resulted in the erosion, accretion, and reshaping of coast, as well as flooding and creation of continental shelves and drowned river valleys, which are known as rias. I have a video animation for you on the coastline. I would like to show the video.
Coasts change their outline very rapidly due to the combined effects of wind and waves. When waves peter out on flat beaches, only small amounts of material are brought back into the sea. When waves crash upon rocky cliffs, they gradually hollow out the rock, loosening the sand and rock, which eventually tumbles down onto the coast. Waves can undermine rock formations and sometimes form an overhanging coast. A good example of such a formation is found on Helgoland.